Alrighty. You know how long it's been since I shot, Dad? My hands are cold.
You're all right, honey. Relax.
You're got it.
You'll
It
be
kicks a little
fine.
bit, but it ain't
Okay.
bad. It's already loaded, it's ready to go.
What am I aiming at, that tree?
And
Alright.
Anything in that general direction.
this tree over there, this little bitty skinny one, see all the holes in the bottom of it?
Yeah.
That
I must have been aiming at the wrong tree then, wasn't I?
one, probably.
You're pretty skinny.
Yeah,
I'll aim at something over that way.
That's right.
it's the skinny
It'll
one
hit the bank. You're
that's
fine.
dead. It's dead.
I ain't gotta worry about that thing in his
Wouldn't try to
hand.
shoot
So
it.
that one behind this one. Okay. I think I see it.
No, there's a great big one behind it.
Oh, okay. I got
Was
it.
I aiming at the right
Yeah.
tree,
12
Dad?
o'clock.
Right straight down, yeah.
Was I on the right tree?
I don't know. Who cares?
I do.
Here it goes.
Okay.
I hit it?
Think you did.
Holy shit.
Oh, dead on.